You know what separates someone who's stuck at the same level for years from someone who's rapidly climbing up the ladder? It's not their degree, not their connection, not even how hard they work. It's something most people completely ignore. Let me share something with you. Last month, I was coaching a senior manager from Singapore. Very sharp guy, MBA from top business school, 10 years of experience. But he came to me frustrated. He said, Sona, I'm doing everything right, but I'm not getting the recognition I deserve. So we had a detailed conversation, and then I asked him, in the last 3 meetings with your CEO, what question did you ask? He went quiet, and then, after a good thought, he replied, I answered his question, just presented my report. And I said, hey, you are not playing the game. You are just responding to it. See, here's what nobody going to tell you. Not even in business school or not even corporate trainings. The person asking the questions control the conversation. The person asking the question controls the direction. The person asking the questions controls the relationship. Think about it. When your boss asks questions, who is in control? Your boss. When your client asks the question, who's leading? Your client. And when interviewer asks the question, who is having the power? The interviewer. Right? But what happens when you start asking the right questions? Everything flips. I have worked with executives in 17 countries, and I can tell you something. The top 5% of professionals, they are not just good at their work, they are exceptional at asking questions that make people think. They ask questions that challenge assumptions. They ask questions that uncover hidden problems. They ask questions that create new possibilities. They ask questions to position themselves as a strategic thinker. It's not like what is the meeting timings. It's about what we are going to discuss in this meeting and is this achievable through this format. See the difference. One is administrative and the other one showing your leadership skills. Let me be very honest with you. In your career, you will meet two type of people every time. Type 1, they'll wait to told what to do. They will execute, they are reliable, but they are replaceable. Type 2, they will ask questions no one else is asking. They dig deeper, they connect dots, and they are irreplaceable. Which one you would like to be? Because I'm telling you from my experience, why are we doing it this way? What if we approach it differently? Is the person who gets noticed. The person who asks questions always get noticed. Not because he is tough, because he is trying to solve some problems. See, when I work with my international client, the one thing that's constant across all cultures, leaders ask questions, follower give answers. Questions signals thinking, thinking signals capability, and capability signals leadership potential. Now, I know that some of you are thinking, Sona, but what if I ask wrong question? What if I look stupid? Listen to this very carefully. The only stupid question is the one you don't ask because you are too afraid. Some of the most successful people I have coached, they ask dumb questions that turned out to be the brilliant because nobody else have the courage to ask them. Your ego will say, be quiet and look smart. But your growth will say, ask questions and become smart. Choice is all yours. But now the biggest question is, how do I develop this art? It's simple, but it's not easy. Start with curiosity, genuine curiosity. Before your next meeting, write down, what don't I understand here? What could go wrong? What are we not seeing? What would success really look like? And here's the key to ask questions. Ask questions to learn, not to show off. Ask questions to add value, not to create problems. Ask questions to make things simple, not complicated. Ask questions to create a difference. Because if you will ask genuine questions, people can easily identify that. Trust me. So now here's my question for you. Are you going to keep waiting for the opportunities to come to you, or you are going to start asking the questions that create the opportunities for you. Because success in your career, it's not given. It's not even earned in the traditional sense. It's claimed through the right conversation, through the right question, and through the right positioning. And this starts from now, not tomorrow, not in the next week, just right now. If you are serious about accelerating your career, if you want to work with me directly, the link is in the description. But whether you work with me or not, start asking better questions. Your career will never be the same. I will see you at the top. I'm your coach, Sona Bhatt.